is Jack Jones. I attend North Dakota State University and I major in mechanical engineering. I liked working at Quanex because everyone was very accommodating and nice and had no problem helping me and teaching me the skills that I needed. It was very nice being in here every day and kind of getting used to everything, learning the process of the week, you know, kind of seeing how on different days it's more or less busy and there's different tasks for different days. I got to know all of my coworkers personally, especially those on the engineering team, learning their interests, hearing their stories. I've already had an internship, so I was kind of used to the 40-hour work week, but the days seemed to go a lot faster.
My name is Chloe, and I am an incoming senior at the University of Texas at Austin, where I study communications. I decided to spend my summer here at Quanex as an HR intern, and I learned so much. I was able to work on various projects within different disciplines within HR, be that compensation, benefits, recruiting, or just other HR generalist projects. And I will be able to take all the knowledge and skills that I learned here this summer as I finish out my degree plan and as I enter the workforce as an HR professional.
Hi, my name is Craig Smith. I am a student at the University of Akron. I currently study accounting. At Quanex, I am an accounting intern. What makes my internship so exciting is that I have the opportunity to meet new people and just pretty much sharpen skills that will help me later on in my career. One of the biggest highlights about my internship at Quanex is definitely the people, the interaction, and just the all-around great work environment that Quanex has. A definite highlight or a funny moment about my internship is the first time I met the president, Bob Daniels. He told me that he wished that he could grow hair like me. So I would recommend other students come do an internship here for the sole reason the location is perfect and the amount of experience and different things that I pick up and touch every day is different and definitely will help me in the future.